Make una come join me, guys. So today is pounded yam with bitter leaf mixed with scented leaf with correct goat meat. Guys, join me. Your one and only friend, as una want to. Now, not say me. I always come in peace. If you want to join, you join. If you not join, now you know what you miss. Come and join me. Wow, too sweet. That is for small pikin. Wallahi. Yeah, I love bitter leaf. If I come dey talk everything now, make all the witches and wizards not come go wait for me. I know say na joke, I dey always dey joke. Like so na no know me. But my problem be say, if food too many, e dey tire me. Who know me? They know how they make me account for food. As my belly rich, now they eat rich. Na giant when e get small hole. So oh, this fly. But this goat meat, wallahi. Only the meat when I dey eat is goat meat. Turkey, no. Cow meat, no. Cow leg, no. Fowl. I like it. I like fowl, but roasted fowl. The meat when I like pass, I know say it go shock una now. Rabbit and squirrel. If I come visit una for Nigeria, na get squirrel for compound, one letter life. All those meat wey be say no get too much meat. Bush meat too. Na it be my meat too. Bush meat. Rabbit, squirrel, akiko. This Nigeria. The akiko when I buy, I don't know what they call that basic for Nigeria. What did they call them for Benin? Uzokbo, bro. May I just talk say paint rubber tree with akiko, the one when they don't break. Periwinkle. Everything dey my profile now. I chop and so till I can't tire. This one when I even dey eat, na manager dey because na me cook am. If I cook food, I don't dey like am. That's why my husband is supposed to carry cook am give me. They tell me say when my children don't grow, na they'll carry cook am give me. God, the one kind person when we say if you cook finish, the food dey tire am. But as e be say this one now, na black soup. Wallahi. Me and this pounded yam will go fight today. Either you like it or not, I go finish you. Wait now. Pounded yam, maybe you bet whether I not finish you. How much you go bet? Now, I not bet with you. I go only eat you put for my belly. The kind life when I come, as my body be, people where they don't know me, they don't think say na food they make this woman fat. No. Me, water. Suffer me with food, my water. Me and you go pull leg for the same trouser. you no get the kind water when I like. For example, this is my water. No, I no fit show una. Me no come business say I dey do publicity. Hey, you know, which kind wahala be this now? Hey, boy, if una taste this soup, hey. Oh, why my video? You know they show everything now. No, no worry. No say my phone. Na phone I dey use o. Anyone when I do, if una fit watch am, na watch am. Me sef, I no even dey do am for anybody. And because una see me as I take dey eat. Now they see me say I be aje, I get aje body. But I be kpokolo woman. Any food, kpakolo. Na kpako food I dey like o. I don't dey like aje food, tea and bread. Guys, Kia! Guys, when I wait, I dey come. They ring my bell. See? Salve, aqui. Ah, ok. Graças a lei, sabe? Una see? Na gift o. Na gift o when I receive o. Na get luck sha. Na be lucky people. I dey eat. I can't receive gift for una present. Wallahi taala. Wetin will be the talk the go sef? I say tea and bread. Na know why I no like tea and bread. Tea and bread. All those mede oyinbo food. Because my father, the time when I dey Nigeria, when I dey older, my papa, he want us to be like oyinbo children. I wanna be. Daddy, no vessel. That time, tea and bread in the morning, afternoon, if not be rice and stew or rice and beans, with rice and dodo. You know all those aje butter food. Me, I prefer. No roasted yam. But you go do it for fire, not be stove on. You do it for fire with correct oil. Now remember those oil when be like say go get some for the under. Oh God of Israel. I eat them for Nigeria. This Nigeria when I go. My mama just breed the oil come for me. For village. Sky village. Or I not be village again, will be small London. I say village, all of the data say she come for village. Now small London will be. See, now or I for come. This kind body they come for village. For waiting now, guys. When I see the reason, anything when I talk now, when I see the talk, say this woman I lie they talk. If I talk say I come for village now, say this woman, I go come for village with this kind of fresh body. But I notice say because now my body come fresh, so I be right from the time. Now I make that they call me Oshilenge, my mama go say, hey, who go marry you? The person go suffer you. When you know they like to stay in your body. I would tell my mama that time say, my papa know the talk, my papa and mama when you know the talk. I tell my mama say, no see, this my hand when I dey petty, you know where I go end up. Now Europe, I'll carry magazine. I dey show my mama say, see where I go end up my life. He go say you, no na Akpata don't go abroad. Now you want start. I tell her say, mommy, may we bet. If I tell her say, mommy, may we bet, anything when dey closer to my mama, mama if he stole you, he not stay clear, not dey near to am o. Anything wey you enter im hand na im go throw come give you. He go say come, you say make me and you bet. You first go bet with your papa. You first take your papa the 2 eye, you go sell. If e no reach, you carry im kidney, you go sell. If e no reach, liver, the cut. If e no reach, you come collect the heart, go sell. She wan go obodo oyibo. You, as you lazy reach, think say obodo oyibo people dey lazy. I tell my mama say me no dey go obodo oyibo go work o. I just see correct oyinbo wey him say he like me, when he marry me housewife, full housewife. He go say go say okay o, obodo oyibo girl. But where I dey today, my advice say anything wey una child dey talk, anything wey una children dey talk, una no dey put obstacle for that their dream, because it can be real. For Akpata's family, na me first enter abroad. Na only me dey abroad. Abroad no be anything for our family o, because the when dem no dey abroad sef, dem even get money pass me. You understand? So my people, anything wey una pikin dey talk, una dey tell am say so shall it be in Jesus name. Una no dey talk say wetin you go become. No, it's not good. If I tell una now say wetin I dey think in 60 years time now, I don clock 50 o, pass. So if I tell una say in 60, from 60 upward, wetin I dey think now, I don already know. Not by my power, by God, because na wetin I dey see. How my future go be. Me one I dey see for here today say dey smile. Now many times I say I go commit suicide. No be say things no work for me when I come abroad. Things overwork. But if you jam bad family, if you get bad family, not be say my people dem bad, winch or no winch. No, not be that one. In the sense that if you are a senior of the family, and for all the people that bury your surname, you are the only person that come to abroad. Oh boy, oh girl, you go overhear and hurt. You understand? But I do it for how many years? Sometimes I don't like to talk about my story. But anytime I go to Nigeria, I dey see the way when they go gather me. Everybody then go dey look at me. Sister, you do well for our body. You do well. Now only once I tell my mama say, why you born plenty children like this? You just born plenty children. Come leave everything for me. Well, me I not to talk sha. Only what I know. Say for this life, do as you can. And don't kill yourself. Because you need to say no be my husband. When he dey support me that time, I like to lie. I for no fit. And one thing for this life, Value any country you are. Value the lowest money of that country. Me, for this country, when I did for this Italy, I valued €1. One letter like €1. Person dash me €1. Me na kind person when be say I know they ever they receive from people. I always give out. You understand? If you dash me €1, God, the way when I go value am. No, I know they look say this woman, you don't get the way where my body be. God purposely give me that body. He know who I go become. Understand? So some people go dey feel say, this woman, she be rich woman. Wetin we go give her when go satisfy her? No. You offer me coffee, cafe, me I talk with our language. You offer me cafe, I go dey talk about that thing. Titi like. You understand? Me na person when be say I dey value small thing. My belly don't dey push me. You understand? So when I notice say Belinda na Jebota food dey eat o. Like before this soup go finish now. If I tell una wetin I take and eat, all of una, it go shock una. I fit just put soup for plate. I also garri for one corner. I dey take food, soup dey soak garri. You see, if I tell una say I dey soak garri go sleep, una go believe. My freezer, I don first put am for Facebook once at a time. When rubbish people dey talk say e dey fianyegbe, me fianyegbe. Me fianyegbe lie. Wetin my hand no fit reach, I no dey talk say I go do am. I be talk na do woman right from the time when I enter Italo. If I tell you say that thing I no go do am, no how. Na me for be the first person for this Europe when I enter Europe 1992. Excuse me. 1992, the second week when I enter Italy. Now I see my first Oyinbo. The first day when I come out. Easy. Then they talk say, some come dey talk say, na ora juju. Ora juju, now you see they work till today. That obo self, me go find am. Fit be say na my papa do am, no, na my mama o. Then they renew every time. But the thing no dey expire. The person never, whether the obo never die, he still dey alive. They protect me, they go. Na Baba God. When God stand with you, and first and foremost, make you no do bad. Let your heart be clean. And serve only one God. If you dey serve this, serve the one light and light. Things say. Me when I dey, I not touch, I not try those nyama. Na nyama they call them. I try on one certain time. Year 92. Everybody they go do password, they go do password. And then they call us Aba Zeora. Now I say, me, my mind couldn't tell me, say, the way when they fear us. If I thought, say, I go send message, go ora. Anything when I bring on one letter line, they go fear on that. I not be able that one. Person when I they follow that time, e dey purposely dey carry me go everywhere, go say leleme me I no go cut my no say I dey hear Benin, I no sabi speak am. I know wetin I mean now. Person when me with am dey stay together that time, e go say anytime when I wan say I wan rest, anywhere they go say follow me go. So tey dem dey dash am something because of me, because of my beauty. I no fine again o. Una no vex, all dey still join am now. Anywhere you wan go, my luck no be na abroad for start o, no be for abroad no be for abroad, na Nigeria. The oyinbo wey bin wan carry me come abroad, my father tell am say lie lie, say until I go complete 25 years. Na be the rules and regulation wey dey Akpata's family that time. After 25 years, you can do what you like. E dey for Nigeria. So the oyinbo, now my father tell am say no be because you be oyinbo, because anywhere when you no fit enter car go greet im daughter, e no dey allow am go. Na so the oyinbo talk, he dey try to bribe my papa, him go make him life better, this and that. Now my papa tell am say you see where I dey stay? I tell you say I go abroad before I fit build this one. The guy start to dey laugh. He say no, he no talk like that. Now my papa tell am say he no tell you say he no fit take care of him children. You no see the life of him children. Say you look at my children like who dey suffer. He said no. He said that's why I chose your daughter, this and that. And he can still like her, this and that. Then my papa tell am say no, you cannot break my rules, the rules in my family. You understand? And the first time when I dey come Italy, when I enter flight, so I don't tell this story to some people. You understand? For inside flight again, now one guy give me money, give me address. No be second oyinbo be that. The third oyinbo, as I land, the second week when I dey here, I jam my first oyinbo. That one, wallahi, me I no talk go that side because you know say this video, it dey go far later. The time when I wan submit, may I gist to that one short one. Year 93, yes, I came this country 6 September 1992. September, year 93, I was alone, staying on my 2-bedroom flat. Who come that year? They know say that 2-bedroom flat, na 10 people dey stay am. So all the mummies of Torino, they gather themselves, say they wan go know whether Oyesomala, Evatano, Dogele Mowa, a 2-bedroom flat. Iyanari. They wan believe. Yes, I don't enter Benin. Mona no vessel. Aya. I be Edo State. Now why I no go speak Benin? Now learn na language. Mona see me see wahala. Iya. Now learn na. I be Edo State. Troublemaker. Una think say this woman just quiet. I be fire brigade bet. Now who enter my lane? Now the Now understand. So me, I wan learn the Benin by force because one day I must go see, not be by my power. I would like to see our great Baba. That our Baba when go dey smile. When e dey for not be Ekete una dey call am. Ekete na. Baba, if I no speak am well, you come here bore. He give some set. One day, I would like to go see daddy, the biggest daddy of Edo State. Now go still see am. No say if I talk something, I dey do am. Talk na do. I wan go receive one special blessing for daddy hand. No be the one una dey think o. I wan just go greet daddy. I wan just go greet am. You understand? Because the time when my grandmama dey alive, any cloth for Benin, for our father for Benin, they always dey share. My grandma go come must carry the pieces take sew cloth for me. And me, I no know anything that time. So I dey small when I dey wear those any cloth when e come for palace that time. You understand? So me, I for like one day if Baba, if I go fit reach where Baba dey. You understand? Na happiness, so now go make me go there in Jesus' name. You understand? I for like because I never go any royal's family, any palace. I want just to know how e be for inside. The time when I dey Benin, I dey always dey pass the front. All those women when they wear bead, no okuku. They will do okuku for head. You understand? I for like to see them. The food don't tire me. I don't see na soup at the chop pass food. That's what be my life. So be my life. This one now. As I chop her now. That's also water I come to drink today. If I dey hungry in the evening, I feel drink only tea. See what make me hate summer? Fly everywhere. Mosquito go dey do him. I don't know how belly that you did today. You know the shame. Try the shame for. More videos coming. I dey hate them when some meat will go hide for one corner. You know if you bring and come out. Come out, Jared. Don't come out. This one not good. Iyo, don't buy a phone. I know why not too much like pounded yam. Come now, how they take the chopper. I know they like me food dig. Gone my hand. This will not be because of abroad though. Yeah, right from the top. Hey, one of my friends tell me say, if I dey eat, may I no dey drink water. Na im make me no dey fit eat. Me na my fault if I get small hole for throat. Because if I carry food go mouth, I must carry water follow am. But I don dey learn am sha. But no be all food o. Bitter leaf, as e be say food wey I like, I no dey quick drink water follow am. Food wey be say na manage I dey. Now I dey carry water follow immediately. Na see say na only once I don drink water. I no remember. See am grass cutter. Even still dey sef. I no even remember say I take grass cutter before. Kind of freeze I dey. My belle o. Fly everywhere. Eh? How come dey close door for some again? Eh? Wow. Salute. Oops. Yeah. That is my natural real Belinda now na the season. I bench, I tell you, pardon. We will dey do on that time for us. Who is your last pass? For school sef, the one will drink water. No, this one. I don't tire. Like. I want die for wetin now? Because I want do video. Now since I finish the soup, the pounded jam dey there. I want do video. Now I make the no, may I finish the meat. This one on the goat when I bring come for Nigeria. No, this one na antelope. Goat meat na I take cook okra. This one na antelope. Iyo. Overfeed you, mamma mia. Why this antelope no get taste? Huh? If na school at night, go sweet. I don't know why my brother say, sister, buy antelope Jonah. Na only once I don't buy antelope for Europe. I don't like it. I don't finish about the jam. I better carry your work. You only dey make belle big. Ijo. I said the one where the man. That time I said, oh, you people when they know me, they don't say me. I see why I know they like to use hand eat. No, I'll go wash. Useless teeth when I get. Any small thing when I eat, it must enter. Okay now. See you now next time. Next time, what I'll cook now. Before me go eat African food as I chop this one now. Wee, go tire me. More than no vessel. See, this my video, Now before Shakara video, so anything you wanna see, now go get it. Now video of real African woman. Now yeah, for real African woman, more video is coming. I never see anything. More video. Sexy lady alias Ajekpako. Now the time when I did my papa house that time. Now they do Ajebo. Now, Ajekpako. Me, I love Ajekpako life. Wallahi. I like. Me, you go sit down. I never even used to know what I like most. I almost you just carry food, cook am for house. Carry them, put for cooler. Just go sit down. But me, I not sabi sit down for ground. That be my problem. You just arrange. But so far now, you dey bush, you dey feed, you dey anywhere outside, not inside town. Farm now. And now I remember the time when my papa not dey gree me we go farm. I go hide go my grandmama farm, the one wey born my papa. If I go there, because my grandma dey cook for farm. Una know those farm jam when they go cook, they will come pluck garden egg. You put am for inside the jam. When as the jam dey done, the garden egg, the pepper, all those green pepper. When the jam done, you come select the garden egg, the garden egg and the pepper aside. You come match am for small mortar, even though say na plate, you go press am with small mortar. Not be na mortar they call all those small one. Come, you put salt, put red oil, you turn am. Na so my grandma take dey do. Oh boy, try that thing with that yam. That yam from farm when be say you no go peel am before you cook. Yes, you no peel am before you cook am. You cook am with the kanda. But me, wetin I take hate that yam, but they always dey want make dem peel am for me, because if you dey peel am, na so your hand go dey burn you. So anything wey go give me stress, me I no dey like am. Test am, Test am. After you don eat am finish, maybe if una get mango tree, just go sit down for the mango. my grandma go arrange one place for me. He go make sure say he can't even do one broom. I go sweep the place. I'll come spread clothes. I go lie down. My grandma go sit down because immediately anything waka come meet me. Anything warm. Wetin make me not like Africa, may I tell you now. Una no know earthworm. All those things, warm, anything called warm. Now it make me not like Africa. You understand? You know the Europe now. Snake. Anything. You just see that before you know something just come. Ow! God of it. Ooh, that I go cry. I go to tell God say, wetin make me come this country. My mama go say you don't come. Which country you forgot? I go say, where are you both? They will be say they don't get all this nyama. We just dey look, say where this pikin for come. As I go Nigeria now, I know wetin my mama tell me. He say come. He say anytime when you take come Nigeria, now they always dey remember say, oh wetin you dey talk. When you go dey waka like this that time, like say you know dey shit for where person. Now say mommy, I dey shit for where people dey shit too. Only be say I prefer things when give me stress too much. Anything when obstacle dey no, I know they like them. No, my life now, genuine life. Life will be no stress. No, like this food now. When I see the food when I dey post for Nigeria, now that one be my food. But for here, I no sabi cook small chukele food. I no sabi am. If I say, see as I go take cook the food, before you know, pot don full. And they don't tell me wetin that thing mean, sha. No be the one I go tell you now. Now everything I want to know about Belinda. Because I can't camera. For wedding, I'll still reserve some things now. Not be now I go talk of. If you want to know, go and watch my YouTube channel. My husband, they come, may I quick up the video, otherwise he go spoil this for me. Wait, I for say, make come greet you now. If you just come and I'll see what you go talk now. I just tell her, Simon, I just hear his voice. My Osaige. My Osaige. Now, Osaige, Nigeria people give am. Osaige, Nigeria people give am. Anyone wanna think? Yoruba say, Ewo lo kàn mí. Osaige. Osaige. Come, you know, yeah? Not be me give am. He say, come and greet my people. Cozy.
Here.
I dey do video. Now bye yo till next video. Ma Osaige say make I tell una say ciao a tutti, alla prossima video. Ciao.